I'm gifting myself some solo adventures with these must-haves and fun tech from Best Buy. The GoPro Hero 12 Black Action Camera Bundle has everything I need to capture my rides. Rugged trails are no problem because the Hero 12 has hyper-smooth stabilization, and it's waterproof up to 33 feet, so I'm not afraid to take it out on the water. The Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer smart glasses make it easier than ever to capture my point of view. Meta AI voice control gives me hands-free calls or messages or, "Hey Meta, start recording a video." "Oh, hey there, hi boy." The S2 foldable electric scooter gets me where I need to go in no time. It reaches speeds up to 19 miles an hour, and its high-capacity battery keeps me on the go for up to 17 miles per charge. Back at home, I keep myself busy with the LEGO Ideas Home Alone set. Fans of the movie will instantly recognize the cast of characters with 5 minifigures. There are plenty of hidden features. And of course, the Treehouse zipline. Guess my me time is over. Tech for fun is just a click away at BestBuy.com.